Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the loop. Set a breakpoint at the loop entry and run the debugger so you see exactly when it repeats. Once done, step through iteration by iteration while watching key variables, because that reveals unintended state changes. Make sure to reduce input or cap iterations to a small number like 10 so the program remains responsive. This first actionable step prevents waiting for long runs and gives you live evidence to guide your edits. Now you change the logic that caused repetition. First, inspect and correct the loop condition. Off-by-one errors and wrong operators are common culprits. Then add guards. Implement a max iterations counter or a timeout so the loop exits if progress stalls. If recursion caused repeated calls, convert to an iterative pattern to control state explicitly. Once you implement these fixes, rerun the debugger to confirm the loop exits under normal and edge case inputs. Finish by validating and optimizing your solution. Run unit tests and edge case scenarios to make sure the loop stops every time. Add lightweight logging or conditional breakpoints to catch slips without overwhelming output. Once done, profile if needed to remove wasted iterations and ensure efficiency. If things go wrong, create a minimal reproducible example and revert recent changes to compare behavior. This
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.